Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online class. How was your assessment? Hope you all performed well in your assessment, right? Okay. Uh, Children, our portion is over. So today we will revise chapter 15, Light. What is light? Yes, light is a form of energy which makes things visible to us. And we see many objects with the help of light. We are also discussing that light travels in a straight line, and with the help of an activity we have learned that how light travels in a straight line. We have also discussed about reflection. So what is reflection? Yes, bouncing back of a light on a striking surface is called reflection. Take a torch and cover its glass with a chart paper which has 3 slits. Spread a sheet of chart paper on a smooth wooden board. Fix a plain mirror strip vertically on the chart paper. Now direct the beam of light on the mirror from the torch with slits. Place the torch in such a way that its light is seen along the chart paper on the board. Now adjust its position so that the light from the torch strike the plane mirror at an angle. We will see that the mirror change the direction of light that falls on it. Now move the torch slightly to either side. We will see change in the direction of reflected light too. Look into the mirror along the direction of the reflected light. We see the slits in the mirror. This is the image of the slits. This activity shows how light gets reflected from a plane mirror. We discussed about light, reflection of light, then light travels in a straight line, about images, and we have seen some activity related to that. Children, there will be a test paper, so all of you please attend the test paper and post it in time. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.